Welcome back to another Autowave video. Autowave Lee here. Today we've confronted with a 2013 Vauxhall Astra J. Basically it's been recorded in on the back of a truck. Customer lost the keys, so it's a lost key situation. But luckily the customer has inside their service pack the card that comes with your vehicle, so it has all the relevant data, the security code, the key number, relevant information. So the good thing is now we can come to our Condor cutting machine, we can go to vehicle database, and basically if we press vehicle database, pick our manufacturer, so Opel, we can now put our key code in, so Z0469, press confirm, it will show our key, we can press confirm, and now it shows our key profile, so we haven't got to worry about picking the lock or anything. We've already now got our key profile that we can just transfer onto our new remote Autowave 2 button, AUTRK0033, cut it and then go out to the vehicle. So let's do it. So we'll get our M2 clamp, we'll get position A, we'll line it up to the second line like it shows on the image, clamp it in, and all we've got to do is press cut. So that's one side cut, so we'll turn it over, line it up, same marks again, make sure it's flat, press cut. Lovely, so that's now cut both sides, so we'll take it out to the vehicle, we'll test it in the ignition and the door lock and see if it works. So we're back to the vehicle, we'll just test it in the driver's door, works perfect. Also try it in the ignition. Lovely, so that's the key part done. So what we'll do now is we'll plug our OBDStar into the vehicle. So we've plugged into the vehicle, I'm going to go into IMO, I'm going to go to all. Let me find Opel Vauxhall. Let's have a look. We've got GM, but I think we should have Opel. So the latest software we'll try. I haven't got the ignition on because it's not asking me to put the ignition on at this precise moment. We're using the OBDStar today, DP Plus, to do this job because it's a really good tool on the Vauxhalls. So we're going to go into Opel. If I selected Vauxhall, all we would have listed is Vivaro and Mavaro. So I'm going to go into Opel. Right, read pin code. I could read the pin code, but I already have the pin code on the car pass that came with the vehicle, the security code. So I'm just going to go into manual select model. So Astra J, 2010-16, correct. Same again, I don't need the pin code. It's a bladed key, not a proximity key, so I'll press blade. I'll do add key. Put my pin code in. Just confirm that's correct. That is correct. Press enter, switch ignition off for 5 seconds and then switch ignition on. So I've just took my key out, I'm going to put my key in, I'm going to turn the ignition on, I'm going to press enter. So now it's configuring the system, so this takes about 10 minutes, which it actually does normally take about that, so we'll just leave that for a minute and then we'll come back to the vehicle. The 10-minute wait is over, so now it's saying switch ignition off and remove the key, which we'll do now. Press enter. Open and close the driver's door and close all electrical equipment. So let's just shut the door, open it up. This is just to get the BSI back into life. Press enter. Insert the key to be programmed and turn on the ignition. So ignition is turned on. Press enter. Whether to program next key, I don't got no other keys to program, so I'm going to press escape. Switch ignition off and remove key. Press enter. Open and close the driver's door. I'm going to do that again. I'm not actually having the door closed because I'm filming. I've got the door open, whereas you'd be sat inside the car with the door shut. Now just configuring the system, basically storing the data into the system from this key. Turn on the ignition. Press enter. Switch ignition off. Turn on the ignition. Program complete. So let's try it. So first thing we'll do is shut the door. Try the remote. Vehicle locks. Vehicle unlocks. You can see the flashes flashing to prove the point. Now we'll try and see if the vehicle starts. Just make sure it's in neutral. Ignition on. Oh, got to put the clutch down. And that's it, the vehicle starts. So that's basically the process from start to finish. All keys lost on the Vauxhall Astra J 2013. Thanks for watching. Make sure you drop us a like below and see you on the next video.